Hey everybody. Okay, this is the last day before spring break. I wanted to show you where you need to go for the assignment today. You only have one assignment to do. So once you get there, get to my page. I want you to click on classwork. When you get here, this should be like this. You need to open this up, come down to view the assignment. The instructions are all right here. So once you read right here, it'll tell you what to do. And to complete the assignment, you need to click on the Google Slides right here. To work on it, you work on it there. And once you finish that, you close it and then come back, click Turn In. And this is what it should say your name here and then your answers. Click Turn In. And then you are finished. You don't have to do anything else after that on my class page. Now, if you have not finished any of your other assignments for the week, make sure to go through and check them. So just to kind of recap of what else is due. Under India's independence, you need to come here. You need to make sure that you have completed the question here. This one says graded, so this one's done. You also need to go to the Gandhi video and short answer. Click here, make sure that you've done that. It says graded, so you should know you're finished with that one too. And then up here, make sure you've taken the quiz, turned in, so this one's done. Okay, and for the Flipgrid, make sure you go here, click on Flipgrid. Not a lot of people have put those in, so make sure you get those done too. But the main assignment for today is doing this assignment right here. So just to recap, click on View Assignment, click here, go through it, and make sure you click Turn In to be done. Okay, once you've done that, you're good. Have a good spring break.